about this program, a fantastic program by our Impar, amazing. And this business opportunity will change your life. I'm telling you, seriously, if you are ready to understand what is this opportunity all about. I'm into this industry called direct selling for the last 21 years. 2 decade, okay, 2 decade. It's not a joke actually. I completed my MBA from Madras University. I was working as area sales manager. I worked for several companies, and I was the area sales manager for a company called Satyam Infoway. And one of my friends invited me for a meeting. Today we are talking to you in Zoom meeting. That's a digital meeting actually. But actually at that time it was not a digital meeting. He invited me to a hotel and I attended that program. I was not ready to go there actually because of an academic interest. I went there and I didn't understand anything. Seriously speaking, I didn't understand anything about the calculation of the plan actually. I have seen some people very successful making 1 lakh income, 2 lakh income, 10 lakh income. That got motivated me. Money motivates everything, right? And the presenter was telling it's a legal business. And I started learning about this industry. I started, but the first 5 years, I was not successful. What happened? I started promoting the program and I started promoting the product, but I was not making money actually. But I realized one thing, this business has got huge potential in future. The direct selling industry, the business what we were doing 20 years back and the business what we are doing today is entirely different. I can tell you this is a new generation business right now. And it is connected with our digital commerce. So networking, I'll tell you the simple, because I just want to tell you today 2 things. One is the distribution, excuse me. One is the distribution models. The distribution models means a long back, there was a system called barter system. You know that. You might have heard about barter system. You can exchange products. After that, now we are handling with currencies. So when Federal Express, when Blue Dat, you might have heard about that courier companies. They launched in the world. It has changed. It was a revolution actually. And now we are buying products from the retail outlet. And in between, there was a trend called tele-shopping. You will be watching a lot of products in the tele-shopping. That also going down actually. Now the latest trend is the distribution model is online marketing. Maybe you are purchasing some products from Amazon and Flipkart. That's a new trend actually. See, if you're asking me what is Magnessa, Magnessa is not like Amazon business. It is different. The difference is that when we are buying products from Amazon, only companies making profit, right or wrong? Companies becoming very successful. Today, if you're asking me, Jeff Bezos is one of the richest person in the world. Why? Because they are not redistributing the profit margins. That's the reason company is growing. So today, what Magnessa, the difference between this is a kind of online marketing. I can say a franchising business. We are sharing the profit with you people, ordinary people. So that's a new trend happening. So that is called intellectual distribution model. I can say personal franchising business. Instead of buying product from other online sites and from the retail outlet, start your purchase pattern. Change your purchase pattern from Magnessa. You will get amazing product. And when you are building your organization, you will make money. company will redistribute the profit margin to you people. And from where we are getting that money? We don't have advertisement. We don't have any intermediates. That the profit will be shared with you. That is going to be a revolution in the future. That is called personal franchising business all about. We call it as network marketing, we call it as direct selling, and this is the business opportunity for the 21st century. And unfortunately, most of the people will not understand that. When we are talking about building people, and they will say that it's a money chain, it's a money circulation, it is pyramid, you call whatever it is, but I'm telling you, India government has approved this business model today. They are promoting this. And even our Meghalaya chief minister is talking about entrepreneurship. And this is a business opportunity. Today, during this pandemic time, a lot of things are changing. Everything is going to be digital. Everything, the digitalization is happening all across the globe. The real estate market is completely down. All the software companies, they are telling that don't come to office, do it from home. And if you're asking me, everything is digitalization today. Everything. I'm sitting in Chennai, and people in Chennai, they are not going outside, they are not ordering food, they are not going to restaurants, and restaurants are in big loss today. Everyone is ordering the product through Swiggy, Zomato, and they will get their barbecue chicken, anything, whatever you want. This is the trend. Ticket booking is happening through digital commerce, right? Makemytrip.com, and the events bookmyshop.com. And what no, the students are not going to school. They are sitting at home and it's happening online. So the entire trend is changing. I'm telling you, if you are not ready to change your mindset, you are going to be in big trouble. I used to conduct a lot of training programs. Some of you people have attended that program called Transform. I used to tell that the basic needs are roti, kapda, makan, right? What is that? Roti, kapda, makan means food. Kapda means cloth. Makan means house. Something. And I used to tell that there is one more thing that is called Wi-Fi. Now that's going to be the basic need. Some of you people are not able to understand that. And today I congratulate our shooting sir has messaged me, sir, I got my broadband. That itself is a great thing today. Basic need is everyone has to do. There is no other, I'm telling you. If you're not ready to change according to the trend, you are going to be out of the business. In future, there won't be any retail outlet. Everything is going to be online. Everything is going to be app-based. Today, in cities like Bangalore and Chennai, we have got a new courier service called Denso, or called as Swiggy Germany. And what exactly? If you want to deliver some product from one place to other, you don't have to go there. You just book in that app, you pay around 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. They will deliver any product. That's a new trend. So what I'm telling is, if you're not having a proper mobile and proper net connection and a proper laptop, you are not going to be a business person in future. This is a new trend. Some people will say that I don't know anything, I cannot learn this. Sorry, you are going to be out of the system. There was a time we used to click our picture, no? Konica, Kodak cameras, you were having that. Where is that today? Nothing is there. So we are talking about a new trend that's called the future trend, the future business opportunity. Sitting in your place, you can expand the business globally. That is the trend all about. That is what we are offering you, an opportunity. But only thing is we have to have that mindset. The problem is with our mindset. We are not ready to change. A lot of people, oh, I have seen this, I'm not ready. This is going to be, let it be a traditional thing. I'll tell you, the restaurants will be closed in future. No more restaurants in future. Everything is going to be home delivery with app. Everything. Everything is going to be digitalized. Our studies, everything, video conferencing. Today, we don't see that. I'm talking to more than almost 400 people and sitting in Chennai. This is going to be, see, this is the future. If you are able to understand that, Magnessa is two industries will grow, I'll tell you. One is going to be the digitalization. That's what we are doing, Magnessa Digital Commerce. And second thing, you need health, right? Today, people are talking about our immune boosting. So that's what we're offering here. We have amazing products. We have Immusure, and Magnessa is launching a lot of products. So nutraceutical products and digitalization will make you a successful entrepreneur. That is what Magnessa all about. For that, what investment you have to do? Crores? No, not required. No investment, no risk, but only one thing, the right attitude. The problem is most of the people are, they are not ready to change. It was very, very difficult for us. We don't have landline connection today, right? We used to have landline phone long back. Right now, everyone is using a mobile phone, right? And new Android mobiles are coming. So the future is in mobile commerce. That is what we are talking about. The people who are able to understand that, they will start immediately, and you have got an amazing system to support you. You have our Diamond Executive, Sandosh Joseph, and we have Rodha Kapani, Robert Basumatari, we have Prakash Bara, and you have Drusing Gongjo. Sir is attending with family. I'm very happy today. Sir, smile, sir, please. And you're the first distributor of Meghalaya. No? I was not talking to Drosing sir quite for a long time because he was not taking broadband connection. I was not happy with him. Today I over everything, fantastic that, suiting sir also, the person who started. So this is what we are doing it with digital commerce. I used to come there, and I want to come to, again to Shillong. I want to come to Police Bazaar right now. I used to have a lot of food in that place. Sandosh, we used to come there. And no, but today the entire system has changed. I'm not thinking that I'm away from Shillong, I'm away from you people. We are together because of the digitalization. So my dear friends, get up. Don't sleep at home. Some people are thinking what to do, and they are not sleeping also, thinking about what to do, and they are not doing anything. This is what is happening with some of you people. Tomorrow, I'm telling you, be excited. Tell them that this is an opportunity. Magnessa is the new generation business. If you're accepting or not accepting, this is going to happen. Some of you people are going to make it happen. So get up, change all the traditions and make it to the next level. Sitting in your place, sitting in Shillong, I don't know which place you are. Sitting in Shillong, you can connect people globally. And you don't have to go outside for building this business. There's zero expense only, zero expense. You don't have to travel. You don't have to hire a hotel for this, right? The only thing is have a net connection, have a mobile phone or a better laptop, and connect people, tell them that this is an opportunity. By changing your mindset and by changing the shopping pattern, you can become a millionaire. Maybe you will not believe all this, but I'm telling you, this is going to happen. I'm seeing a lot of successful entrepreneurs today and take a strong decision to be a part of this system. The system will change you, and Magnessa management is working 24/7 to make you successful. I have a humble, simple request to you, everyone. Maybe you are not getting the result, maybe you have not tried. So, tomorrow onwards, start building the business. The people who are new to this today, start the business immediately, purchase product, and there is no investment. Purchase product with 100 PV, 200 PV, and 500 PV. The benefits, the person who invited you will be explaining to you, and we will build together. The business built together. The only thing is, what you have to check is whether this business is required for you or not. How to build this business? Don't think. We have experience. Hello, I have completed, this is my 21st year into this industry. We know how to do this. We will teach you how to do this. I'm not telling I will do it for you, okay? Don't mistake. And I'm not telling you the person who invited will do it for you. We will do it together as a team, and we will make you successful. The only thing is small change and options for that today. Come out of that comfort and start to be a millionaire. I'm seriously telling you, one day you will have business in so many countries. Today, this business is happening all across India, pan India, and in Dubai it's happening. And last week, some people have achieved from Singapore also, and Dubai also. We are expanding, and the future is going to be in Bangladesh. Future is going to be different places. Yesterday, I attended a program with Filipinos people, so it's going to be a huge opportunity and advantages. You can do it with what you are doing today, along with your job, along with your business, but do it for 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours seriously. Don't do the business in a casual way. Don't think that tomorrow I'm joining, day after tomorrow I will become a millionaire. No, it's not like that. There is a process. We have a system. We will teach you, but start doing the business. Take it seriously. I want to see a lot of successful entrepreneurs from Shillong, connecting to so many places from Meghalaya, and you can build your business all across the globe with Magnessa. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Sorry, I was planning to have the fantastic backdrop what you're having. I'm seeing a lot of beautiful girls. I don't know why people are not having the traditional dress. I'm talking about the men. They are not having. Okay, next time, no, you also have that. All the best. Ragnar is laughing. Okay, man. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. This is signing off. Sreejith Nair from the corporate desk. Thank you so much.